everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you how I'll be using these items here that I got from the dollar store and more. And we are going to make a quick and easy wall decor, mirrored wall decor to spruce up our home. So, like I said, these are items that we'll be using. So, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with this round, it's a wreath. It's a circle that they use to make wreath with, but I'm not using it for that. I got it from the Dollar Tree. So I'll be using this, and I will be using some of this silver spray paint here to spray paint it silver. So we'll do that and then let it dry. Okay, while that is drying, I have this mirror here. I believe it's a 12 by 12 mirror. I got it from a local dollar store in my area. So we are going to take it, and this piece of round wood here that I also got from the dollar store, I'm just going to be putting it in the center to help elevate the mirror. So we're just going to take off these tabs first. And now we are going to place this in the center. So I'm just going to use some E6000 and some hot glue to glue it down to our mirror. Okay, here's our large circle, all spray painted with the silver paint and dry. Doesn't that look nice? I love silver. Okay, so here is our mirror piece. Let me just cover it up with a piece of paper. So I'm just going to place it as best as possible. We want it to go in the center. Okay, so I'm just going to use some E6000 going right around. And I'm also going to add a little hot glue in certain places to help stick it down right now. And then we just place our mirror right in there. Just hold it down. And now I'm going to flip it over. And I'll be adding these large craft sticks for extra support. That's why I put the circle in the center, so the mirror would be on level with this round circle that we have going around. So I'm just cutting the sticks, placing them down, and then I'm going to be using some E6000 and some hot glue to glue them down onto the mirror, to glue everything together. And now that our sticks are all down, I'll be going right around the mirror on the inside, adding extra glue for another form of support. So now I'm going to be using some of this bling sheet that I got from BeeBeeCraft, and I'm going to cut it into strips and lay it going around the outside of our mirror. The first set I put down, I'll be using some hot glue. And it comes as self-adhesive, so we'll just keep going right around the outside of our circle. And some glue again at the end point. And I'll just keep doing this, going right around. And everything I am using today will be listed down below in the description box. On some devices it says show more, on others there's just a little error going down. You click on that and it opens up the description box, and you can see everything I have to share with you down there. And now I'm going to use some of these mirrored pieces that I got again from BeeBeeCraft. And they had come with a self-adhesive on the back, but I'm just putting a little hot glue for extra support. You could use any adhesive that you would like to glue them down. And now I'm going to be using some of these Glam rocks that I got from the dollar store. I'm going to line them up like this in 3 and then just glue them down with some hot glue. And like I said, you could use any adhesive that you would like to glue down onto your project. And here is our finished look. Doesn't that look nice? I love the little square pieces and the gems, the little stones going right around. I think it looks so nice. I like how it turned out. A quick and easy wall decor for your home. Or like I always say, you could give it to a gift to a loved one. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I do hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. And I would like to wish everyone happy holidays. And welcome into our 2024 season. Yeah, and remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.